Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Carefully insert a plastic cartridge tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. And then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. Next, remove the not working front camera from the body. First, remove the bracket by undoing 6 screws. Next, remove the faulty front camera by disconnecting the plug. Next, place and secure the front camera to the board. Next, secure the bracket by adding 6 screws. Next, install the screen assembly to the body. First, secure the LCD plug. Next, connect the battery plug. And then turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, add glue or adhesive tape around the frame. And then gently slide the screen into place from bottom to top and press lightly along the edges to secure it. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.